welcome to day 2 of my Vlogmas of me trying to actually vlog every day and get a video out to you guys every day. So this video right here is about 2 or 3 days worth of recording because I just wanted to have it all together at once and do one cohesive video of me trying to decorate my outside into a like gingerbread candy cane lane house.
Baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside.
Okay, so we're starting off this project with making the big fake suckers out of the 2 acrylic bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. And it's crazy how they are $2 now. And before, like maybe 2 years ago, I could have got them for $1 a piece. It adds up when you're buying like 20 bowls. So keep that in mind if you want to try it too. It's not as cheap as it used to be. I saw this project a while ago and never really did it until this year, when now everything went up like twice the price. But it did turn out beautifully, and it's worth the price. These two crack me up. I'm over here trying to work and they're fighting over a stick. And she knew it was irritating her, and she thought it was like the funniest thing to like consistently mess with her and a stick. I know there's a tool for this to like cut through plastic easier, like a hot like iron rod or whatever, but the glue gun works kind of the same way. It just takes longer because it's not as hot. But I didn't just feel like going to go buy one just for this project, and just use what I had, and that worked perfectly fine. You just put the sticks in there and glue them down and you're done. But afterwards I had to take the sticks back out because I'm like, black suckers their sticks are not black, they're white. So I had to spray paint them white, and it was a little bit rainy outside, so it was just a whole mess. So you'll see my sticks are kind of janky looking, but I had to do what I had to do. But yeah, so I put a little gold stripe around to make it look, better. But it worked out still. I'm coming in with this like clear wrap. Thankfully, my job throws this away constantly. So I just stole a whole bunch from my job. It's going to garbage anyways. It's a theft, recycling. I recycled it, repurposed it for my job, went over with a zip tie, and it makes a perfect sucker.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know.
Now this is a good hack too. I took these clear tumblers, the same color variety of the bowls, and glued 2 of them together, then plastic wrap that to make like a Jolly Rancher kind of candy. And you get 10 of them for a pack, and it's like $2 a pack. It's more cost effectively than buying one bowl, so I just wanted to change it up a little bit and save a little bit of money. Okay, so right here I have got these it's like icicles from Dollar Tree, and you get like 2 of them in a pack, which is pretty affordable. Because I was gonna buy like foam and cut them up, but I'm like, oh, these are already the shape I need and it'll work perfectly fine. And I had got these peppermint looking plates from Dollar Tree, glued them on there, and it looked like just peppermints that you'll put on a gingerbread house. It actually worked perfectly.
I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it.
Okay, so what I'm using to keep this up is the like square dots you get from Dollar. Like the adhesive, kind of like rectangular square pads you get from Dollar Tree. They come in a roll, and it worked perfectly fine. It held up during like a windstorm, so I recommend.
Santa, I won't forgive you for Santa. Won't you forget?
Okay, so this is gonna be above my porch area, and I made these like other looking candies with like the colorful plates. I'm pretty sure I got them from Walmart. You get a variety of colors, and I just painted it a spiral white and covered it in plastic. So right now I'm trying to wrap my columns in this tablecloth, this red and white tablecloth, to make it look like just my candy cane, pretty much. And it turned out pretty good. It turned out pretty good, I would say myself. Okay, lastly, I'm putting the suckers up on this railing, and I'm putting 3 more on the other side, and this is it. I'm done. I'm gonna show you a night picture and a day picture of how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, hopefully tomorrow, and have a great holiday.